guys? Sorry, my pet sea otter got out. Started front, worked our way to the back. Well, I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. Same exact colors as my last one, but I don't care. It looks sweet. So I got duo Corey Bowen grips because I represent people who are backwards feet and dig boot straps. Kink lens bars because they're like kitties. Odyssey car ends because they don't blow up. Kink bold stem 54 millimeters because I like it long. Impact headset. I don't really think the bearings are impact, but it says it. Whatever. Primo strand forks. And for the front wheel, I got a tree front hub, which is phenomenal. Outstanding. Primo balance rim. KHE dirt tire.
They say you can make it if you try. Some of this generation is millionaire. Hard for me to keep decent clothes to wear.
My frame is a Fly Luna 2 or 3. The newest Luna. It's awesome. I love it. The removable brake mounts are the greatest invention ever. And for my cranks, I just got some profile spline drive cranks with a tree sprocket, 25.9 right here, some dual pedals. Got a hollow seat, nice and big, easy for bar spins. And I never land tailors, so that's some cushion. And for my back wheel, I got a Federal V2 free cuss related to a Primo balance. Max's grifter tire. Got some little double valve caps because that's big. I got some Primo pegs, I don't know what they're called, but they're really long. Like my stem. That's about it. Thanks, guys.
No way.